What up, Brap gang? Today we're going to be doing group riding versus riding alone. We're going to let my little brother lead the way today. Yeah, start it off right, boys! Yeah! Oh my gosh.
Hi, Mom. Sorry, not sorry.
Yeah, we're getting real muddy.
On camera when I die?
Of course.
Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a face of somebody who needs you.
Alright, so now obviously riding with a group is a lot different than riding by yourself. So I'm just going to talk about the comparisons between both and talk about whether or not you should or should not ride by yourself, because there's a very mixed opinion of it for obvious reasons. Now I'm going to start off when you're riding with a group, because I'm with a group today. So group riding I think is really fun because then you get a whole squad. Alright. Group riding, you get a whole crew together. Y'all go out, y'all push each other. If something happens, God forbid to one of you, you got other people around, or if something happens to one of your bikes, or if God forbid something happens to one of your bikes, you're all there. And you know, most people carry some kind of toolkits on them. If you guys don't have a toolkit with you, you should definitely get one, and always have tools to fix your bike. Have a spark plug if you have a two-stroke, just in case. And just have tools to work on your bike. Have some flares. I'm going to do a dirt bike essentials for trail riding, things to carry with you when you go in the trail video eventually. But it's great to have those people with you, and I feel like group rides are a lot more fun because you have everybody with you and you all get to push each other. And you know, when you ride with other people, everybody else knows different trails and different ways to go and stuff like that, so you get to learn. And for me, that's a big part of riding, is learning how to do new things, learning new trails, and growing and getting better. That's what makes it fun. So I think group riding itself is a lot better in general. Splash, baby. Also, riding in a group I feel like makes you a better rider, because then you want to keep up and do everything else just as well as the rest of the group. So you push yourself a little bit more than you would when you're by yourself. Man, these are some great trails. These are nice and flat. This is like a nice, just chill ride today, guys. Whoa. Splash, yeah. Dalton went right to, okay, Kyle, just going right for it. Now this is a good thing too, because as I said, I'm out here with my little brother too, and another friend in the group, Dalton. He's newer to riding. Woohoo! A little slushy. But he's newer to riding as well. So the fact that we're out here in a group, we can help them learn and we can push them, because like I said, when you ride by yourself, you're not going to push yourself as much as you would when you're with other people. And I'll tell you what, my brother's already progressing. Oh, they're going through it. Oh boy. I'm a Sean on this one. I'd much rather just go around. Kyle's going for it, huh? So those are some of the reasons that, you know, I like group riding. Now, when you ride by yourself, some of the things are, you get to ride exactly where you want and pretty much do what you want, you know, because you're the only one riding. So you have your own choice and freedom to do whatever it is that you want to do. You can also ride for as long as you want. You can go at your own pace. You don't have to keep up with somebody else's pace. Now, obviously, riding by yourself is very sketchy. whenever you do choose to ride by yourself, you should always ride on a trail that you are familiar with, very familiar with. And it should always have quick access to get out if God forbid something happens to your bike. You know, if it's a flat trail and God forbid something happens and you can't fix it there on the spot, you can walk it out, because when you ride with a group, you should have a tow rope, which we do. So if God forbid you needed it, you could use it. Also, I like to sometimes just go ride to like a nice overlook or something and just hang out, have lunch, which not everybody likes to do. So when I ride by myself, sometimes that's what I do, and that's a pro. Like I said, you have the freedom to do what you want. That was a cool little jump. And I think, in all honesty, it's good to experience both riding by yourself and riding in a group. And you can see what works better for you, what you like better. You know, you might be someone that likes to ride alone, which I said is not the safest. If you do ride alone, you should always tell people as well. Tell them what time you plan on going, tell them what time you plan around being back, and just have someone, you know, make sure you have your phone with you, so if you do need to contact someone for any reason, you can. So those are just some of the comparisons between group riding and riding by yourself. I hope you guys liked the video. If you have anything you want me to talk about specifically, comment it down below. I'd be happy to make a video for you. And yeah, so until next time, guys, you have a great day as always. Peace!